Hello, my friends. How you doing? How is your trading going, huh? From your reactions, I can clearly see that you really like the indicator combo from my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure you check it out after this one. So today, to reinforce and repeat this strategy, we're going to run another station using the same indicators combo Aroon and CCI. I've prepared a smaller budget for this station and we will go through everything again step by step in a more dynamic format. Make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll tell you how to get promo codes and much more insights. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and drop a comment what indicators or strategies you want me to test next, or just how are you doing and how is your trading going. Alright, let's go. So today we are trading with two indicators, Aroon with period 10 and CCI period also 10 and 10-second trades. 10, 10 and 10. Very easy to remember, right? So quick reminder of the logic. We focus only on the blue line. If the blue line cross from bottom to top, is a buy signal. If it cross from top to bottom, it's a sell signal, guys. Easy peasy. Best case when both indicators confirm the signal. But sometimes I enter when it's just one indicator already crossed. Now look, the perfect scenario for our first trade. Let's start. Well, here you see two crosses and this is a buy signal. First trade, first win. We take a quick profit. Nice start. We keep going. Let's find a good entry point. I will use martingale today actively if needed because there are no perfect signals. But sometimes you enter too early, sometimes you enter too late. It's not about signals, sometimes it's just human factor that we are not perfect. You know my style of scalping aggressive, and here I want to open a $100 trade. But you like my style. If you watch this video, you like my aggressive style, then oh, okay. What can I say? Just return. Trying again. I still do believe that this is okay. It happens. It happens. Let me just increase my position to 150. Also important point, we try not to trade when the blue and red lines are moving almost parallel. That's usually fail signal. Well, that's good one. Here we see a clean crossing and opening again. And yes, now we are ready with $752. Let's increase to 200. Trading aggressively and we're moving forward. Here, the grave signal crossings, all indicators, and unfortunately the price just reversed in the last moment. It happens. I'll just switch pairs. We also see a flat market here. Not ideal for our strategy. Well, here our situation may be better. We need to move and recover the losses. Okay, we see a crossover, 200. Again. Buy position. Cover losses again. Another trade. Yeah, we're going good. We're going good. Now we're at 920. Let's push further. Let's move to 300 trades. Yes, I usually trade with bigger amounts, but this is content and testing. Well, another profit. 1,196. That's great. It's great, guys. Another crossover here. It's another crossover. Focus on blue line, guys. Focus on blue line. At least one indicator should show you the crossover. Selection is the key of these pairs. That's why I just clean a bit. Okay, where if you just see the parallel lines, when blue and red line in parallel, don't touch this pair. Don't touch this pair, it will trick you hardly. Let's see, selection is the key. Well, this is quite good signal from CCI. Good crossover, $300. And boom. Now we're at 1,472 from around 500. I want to continue this pair, but price going completely the wrong way. What can we do? Let's try again. Sell position? No. It was quite predictable that price will reverse. Be honest. Let's go next. It doesn't matter. We're still strong about our idea to triple up. 400 short position. We call sell short position. So this is another loss. Well, I will risk another 400. As you can see, we see blue line from top to bottom. Yes, we go back. Just a human factor. Last trade I have opened on emotions, guys. Try to keep your mind clear and cold. Be cold and minded. Oh wow, you got a new achievement, $300. Bravo. It's great. And another profit from the trade, which is also cool. Now we triple up. Yeah. Okay. But let's move forward. Let's do more trades, guys. For the content, for my beautiful community, for the good profit. Well, this is a short position. 400. Ouch. Unfortunately, it's just return. It's okay. It's better than minus. I think maybe a couple trades more and we can finish this session. Let's do like this. Another 400. Let's see. Oh wow, yes, this crossover is really working on us. That's one, it's a great one. Plus. Well, do you want more? Let's do it. As you can see, another crossover, sell signal. Let's short it. Let's short this pair. Yes! And those kind of jump. Wow. Great emotions. Goosebumps here. Wow. Now we are at 2244. Let's continue. Another clear crossing. 400. Good amount. Yes. And profit again. 2,600 plus. That's more than 2,000 profit from this session. About 10 minutes. Guys, I love this kind of moments. All right, my friend. That was a very solid session. Aroon plus CCI combo works. Simple logic, clear signals, beginner friendly, but still powerful. Just remember, don't rush entries, guys. Don't rush your life. Don't rush entries in trading. Wait for confirmation. In this case, it's crossovers. Adjust your risk. If your deposit is small, it's okay. If your deposit is small, just increase trade duration. Lower trade size, this is the end. Even practice on demo. It's also fine for experience. If you want to boost your deposit, use promo codes when funding your Pocket Option account. Just message me directly, I'll give you 50, even 60% bonus codes. Message me on my Telegram. Also join my Telegram channel. We trade there every day, share signals and build a strong trading community. All links are in the pinned comment. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. You know we need it. And I'm sure together we can earn even more. Guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Love you. And see you in the next video.